As we move further into the 21st century, smartphones become more and more important to everyday life. This is reflected with the wireless charging technology in your new car. With this great bit of tech, there's absolutely no need for wires and excess clutter in the vehicle. In order to charge its battery using the magnetic induction technology, the device must be compatible with the QI 1.1 standard. This can either be built into the phone or using a compatible case. Make sure that the charging area is clear and place the device in the centre. As soon as it's detected, the charge indicator lights up green and the device begins charging immediately. Once the battery is fully charged, the indicator light goes out. Just a few things to be aware of. The system is designed to charge one device at a time. When charging is taking place, do not leave any metallic objects in the charging area. This could cause the charging to stop or even overheating. And finally, the system only works when the vehicle is ready to drive. You can also make use of the USB sockets to connect to the vehicle's infotainment system as well as using it to charge your device. Depending upon trim level, these can be found in the front and rear of the vehicle.
Citroën.